Best Shopify auction apps. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Shopify auction apps. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage their own online stores with ease. Founded, and Shopify also provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools that supports everything from product listing and payment processing to inventory management and shipping integration. It also caters to entrepreneurs of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, offering scalability and flexibility through its app store and customizable themes. And Shopify also includes features like analytics and many more. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click the Start for Free trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you could also sign in here using your email address, Google, Apple ID, and even your Facebook account. After choosing any of these options, you'll be able to be directed on this homepage of Shopify in here once you try to sign in, where it will show you on the left side panel the option to navigate. But to start installing or looking for the best auction apps, just simply go, firstly, make sure that you have products in here that you can also input into auction. But as you can see, I have here two products. But by clicking the apps button on the left side panel on this pop-up window, you should be able to see here these all recommended apps, or you could also click the Shopify App Store button. Upon doing so, you will be directed on this Shopify App Store, and you could also go to the search bar and search for auction. Upon searching on it, you should be able to see a variety of auction application that you can choose from. And the first one that you can check out is this Bargain Buddy AI negotiation, in which it offers a free plan and free trial available, and you can let customers make an offer and negotiate prices directly on your product page, and even offer custom discounts for each customer to protect your profit margins. Now aside from that, you could also see here kind of tone. We have here casual, formal, and even track your bargain in here using this AI expert negotiation chatbot, where customers can simply chat their offer. And you could also set your rules in here. The other option is this Auction Today application that is offer a pre-plan available and free trial, as you can see below here. And using this application, you can run auction on your product and variants in multi-currency. It also offers an auction collection page, reserve, price, buyout price, and popcorn bidding. And you could also click this feature. For example, it will show you the time remaining for the product, bidding, and also the list of bidders in here. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like once you try to install this application on your Shopify. Now the other app that you can try is this Tipo product auction that is also offer a free plan and free trial available. And using this app, you can reserve price, the minimum price that you are willing to accept for the bidding item, and even set an increment rules and the increment caps while creating auctions in here. Below here, we have here the pricing plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits included on this application. So this is basically what the dashboard looks like once you try to install this application to your Shopify online store. We have here unlimited auctions and also declaring the winner of the bidding. And we could also track the upcoming auction in here available. So this is basically how you can start managing the auction on your application. The other app is this Webcool multi-vendor marketplace that offer a free trial where you can set global, seller-wise, product-wise, category-wise, and variant-wise commission. You can even send a reminder order emails, customizable seller dashboard navigation, and many more. And below it will show you this one the plan that they offer. Now in any of these options of the application, I'm going to choose the first one, which is this Bargain Buddy AI negotiation. By clicking the install button, you will automatically be directed on this page where you also need to click the install button to successfully install the application. And after that, all you need to do is to wait for it to load, then you will be directed in here. And now the first thing that you need to do is to simply enable the app embed by clicking this button right here. And after that, you will automatically be directed again on the other tab. And make sure to turn on the app embeds on the left side panel, which is this one, and click the save button on the top right. But as you can see, we have here now this live product options. But basically, we can start here setting the bidder for the auction. And by clicking the save button on the top right, you should be able to save the changes in here. Now once you try to save it, you could also go back on the page in here in our Shopify, and it will show us variety of options to navigate also. Now on the right side panel, once you try to enable the bargain buddy on your theme editor, just simply refresh this one and you should be able to be directed or need to go to the first bargaining rules by creating it. And to do that, just click this create new rules button, or you can click this button right here. Now at this point, you can also start generating a general rule settings by simply first entering the name of it. For example, the name is auction product, and below it will ask you what will bargaining buddy negotiate on, and I'm going to choose, for example, instead of an entire store, I'm going to select the product also. By clicking add product, you can simply select here multiple products, but I'm choosing the first one, which is this limited edition Nike shoes. Now under the chat settings, I'm going to enter the maximum discount you would like to offer, which is 15%. And in terms of the tone of the chatbot, I'm going to enter here or choose this casual. You could also select the formal if you want to. Under flexibility, we have here high, medium, and low to choose from. And it will show you some of the differences between the three. Choosing high, you can bargain buddy will be more accommodating and open to negotiating. And that is why among these three, I'm going to choose this one. And click the save button once you fill out the form. Now as you can see, it will now show you that the rules has now been created. Now we can now go back in our bargain buddy dashboard once again, or we could also navigate on the left side panel this appearance to try to change the appearances of the chatbot, including the text size, the logo color, and many more. However, some of these options cannot be customized, in which you need to have an upgrade account in order to do so. So you could also choose here a variety of subscription plan. And now going back in our bargain buddy to start navigating the other option or step, by clicking this customize once again, you should be directed on this appearance section. But if you're now done filling out or customizing the appearance, that you could also start customizing in here, you can now proceed by going to your online store to check what it looks like. So I'm going to click this view your online store button in here. Upon doing so, you should be directed on your page in here. So just simply choose here the product that we set to an auction. So just scroll down and click, for example, this one. And you should see here on the right side panel the negotiate button, in which by clicking on it, you should be able to see the chatbot on the right side panel, and it will give you an offer, including the original price of it and also the discounted price. You could also enter here your discounted amount or your bid. For example, I'm going to enter 9,000 instead of the discounted price. And you should be able to see here the result, which is we got the 9% discount. And we have here the option to add to cart or just check out now. So now as you can see, we have now successfully add here in our online store the auction apps. And that is just basically some of the best Shopify auction apps in here. Thank you.